Welcome to Elegantly Designed by B. In today's video, I'm participating in the Dollars in My City Summer 2020 collab, hosted by Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, co-hosted by Candy of DIY Design by CCW. Please be sure to check out their channel and subscribe. The link to their channel is listed below. The challenge was to DIY an item from the Dollar Brand stores, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and Family Dollar. In my video, I'll give you a tour of my tablescape and what items I DIY from the brand stores. Here's a complete look of my tablescape and what I DIY for this challenge. For the placemats, those are from Dollar Tree. I embellished them by adding gold glitter. For my centerpiece, the Hurricane glass vase is from Dollar General. I added the Dollar Tree candlestick holder for height and also embellished it with gold bling wrap and turquoise ribbon. For the two smaller vases on both sides, those are from Dollar Tree. I added the candlestick holder from Dollar Tree as well and spray painted gold. The gold stem wine glasses are from Dollar Tree. To give it a high-end look, I added gold glitter and sealed it with resins. For my flatware, they're from Family Dollar. I also embellished them with gold glitter and sealed it with resins. As for the other items on my tablescape, the chargers are clear glass gold trim. Those are one of many collections I have of glass charger plates. The white and gold trim dinner plates and the black bowls are from Dollar Tree. The turquoise napkins are from Linen Tablecloth. The black and white damask runner and dinner napkins are from Tablecloth Factory. I did not want the runner to run flat on the table, so I did a pleated look in the center. The black stem wine glass are from a flea market sale. The small floral arrangement, I just added some flowers to gold candle holder. And to top it off, I added white berries to the arrangement as well as the napkins. This concludes my tablescape tour. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed.